Conventional calibration in the OMNISEC software. To perform a conventional calibration, a series of well-characterized standards must be analyzed. These standards should cover a wide molecular weight and size range so that the entirety of your column set resolution is mapped. Once the molecular weights of the standards have been entered and assigned to the corresponding retention volumes, the software will determine the best fit line, which serves as the calibration curve. When a sample is analyzed, the molecular weight of each fraction is taken from the calibration curve based on its retention volume. This video will demonstrate how to set up a conventional calibration curve in the OMNISEC software. The first thing you will need to do is open the data for your standards. Second, create a new method. Name the method and select Conventional Calibration as the calibration type. For most conventional calibrations, you will use narrow standards with defined peak molecular weights. However, if you have broad standards with defined molecular weight moments, you can select the broad standards option to enter MN, MW, and if available, MZ. The calibration table will populate as you add these standards. You can adjust the fit order and edit values for your calibration curve if needed. Move to the Detectors tab to indicate whether you will use a refractive index or UV detector, and then click Save. Third, you will assign molecular weights to each standard by setting limits and baselines, and then clicking the Add Standards to Calibration Table button. This will open a window where you can enter the peak molecular weight for each standard for which you set limits. If you are using broad standards, you can enter the MN, MW, and if available, MZ values for the standard. You also have the option to enter the molecular weight values for each standard in the sequence. This way, when you click the Add Standards to Calibration Table button, the values will be pre-populated. Continue until you have added the values for each peak in all your standard injections. Be sure to save results each time you click to the next injection. If you have kept a third order fit, your calibration curve will appear once you have added at least 4 points to your calibration curve. Once your calibration curve is complete, open a sample injection. Ensure that the active method is the most recent iteration of your conventional calibration method. Set your limits and baselines for your sample, and enjoy your calculated results. This method can be applied to subsequently acquired data by clicking the Open Method button in the record view, unchecking the Filter by Sequence box, then searching for and choosing the appropriate method. To access and view the calibration curve by itself, you can add it to a report through the Report Editor. To recap, the conventional calibration analysis process is as follows. Analyze a series of standards, assign molecular weights to build a calibration curve, and apply the calibration curve to an unknown sample. Please contact us with any questions you have regarding your conventional calibration. Thank you and good luck.